All right, guys, never use these again. So I'm gonna tell you what I use coming up. I don't like buying these. I used to use these all the time, but they get really expensive, and plus throwing them away in the landfills and everything. So I'm gonna show you what I use instead of using a whole bunch of these. If you guys look right here, this right here is a 5-pound propane tank from Ignic. So it comes with the adapter, comes with this nice soft case, and I carry 2 of these. So I carry one that's just used for my cooking stuff, and I use this one for my fire pit and my hot shower. And if one runs out, I still have another one as backup. It costs me $3 to $5 to fill these things up, compared to $6 for a 1-pound propane tank. This equals 5 of those green bottles, but it costs less than one of them to refill it. So it's got the nice little carrying case here. So it protects it. If you're rolling around, I just throw it in the back of my truck. The big thing is this adapter here. So this adapts this normal propane tank into what your green bottles would take. So, and it comes with it. Keep it all right in here. Okay. All right, guys, so to use this, all you do is just screw this little hose right here, the adapter hose. And this end right here will go wherever this green bottle would normally go. So just put it in there, and it has a little turn. And that's all you do. You can pull the case out if you want to. So when I go to refill it, I normally leave it in the case. I used to take it off and they'd tell me, no, you don't have to. They're not weighing this. I always thought they were weighing it. And they're actually just measuring, it looks like a scale they put it on. Not sure what it's for, but they actually use a meter to see how much they're putting in here. So one of these will last me about 2 weekends easily of just cooking all day, even with our oven, where we'll cook for about 30 minutes on our Omni oven. We'll link that below. We'll link all this equipment. So I carry 2 of these. My fire pit will last about 6 hours in my Ignic fire pit. So if I'm using the fire pit, I'll go through one of these every weekend easily. But for cooking, this will last me 3-day weekend cooking trips. If I just go camping on the weekends, this will last me 3 full weekends. So with just cooking. The fire pit takes a little more gas. So with the fire pit, I end up going through one or 2 of these, depending on how much of a real fire. So another thing about this, the carrying case, is the strap goes all the way around, so you can just grab it, carry it like this, carry it like this. So however you want to carry it, you can carry it. I'm going to link this below, give you the Amazon link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see in a video. And I hope you save a lot of money like I did using these. And if you have tips for us, go ahead and let us know too, because we're still learning. Even though we've been doing this, I've been doing this since I was a little kid in Boy Scouts, I'm still learning every day.